In this video, I'll show you how to make sugar snaps, sakura-shaped carrot, and chicken stir-fry. After washing and peeling a large carrot, cut it in small slices.
Con phun hơi.
Không
Ba, cái số cầm chỗ. Điều chỉnh cho cái有一隻跟住又咁樣幾容易有一隻咁得意㗎嗰隻五角呢個梅花哇咁靚嘅呢隻好容易啲，哇，仲靚啲咁擺住正㗎嚇。呢隻好得意好似中間有朵花咁幾靚，呢隻好容易冚毛咩？呢隻好得意幾靚最近呢隻唔同咁靚嘅咩？哇咁靚，一陣先擺過嚟咁cut幾隻先嚇。呢隻仲靚最靚呢隻喎咩？嘅。
The previously used vegetable cutters created these 3 different shapes of sakura flowers. Cut 1 onion in large chunks.
Không切，唔使切油咁揼落去炒就得㗎啦。咁開。
Cut 1 chicken breast in bite-sized slices.
得啦，少少糖，健康糖
Add a tablespoon of sugar,
少少鹽，
a tablespoon of salt,
少少香草，
a tablespoon of soy sauce,
少少油，
and a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Mix it up and let it marinate for about 10 minutes.
咁熱佢就唔會好係啦，咁樣就得啦。跟住熱一陣間12分鐘，先炒，得。
In the meantime, cut the tips of the sugar snaps and pull the string out. Let 2 cloves of garlic turn brown in a pan with some hot oil. Add the marinated chicken. Briefly stir-fry the chicken on high heat and afterwards place it on a plate on the side. In the same pan, stir-fry the onion, carrot, and sugar snap. After about 10 minutes, you can return the chicken to the pan. Near the end, add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of oyster sauce.